Have you ever wanted your video to look like it was captured by a real security camera? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a realistic CCTV footage effect in CapCut Mobile. Let's get started. Step number 1. Open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video you want to transform into CCTV footage and tap Add. The step number 2 is to tap Effects. Then, select Video Effects. Browse through the available categories and look for effects such as surveillance, security camera, camera monitor, old camera, or similar effects depending on your CapCut version. Now, let's make the footage look more realistic. Tap on your video clip and select Adjust. Lower the saturation slightly to reduce vibration colors, speed, etc. And for the final step, drag the effect layer so it covers the entire duration of your video. And that's how you create a realistic CCTV footage effect in CapCut Mobile. With a few simple effects and adjustments, you can turn ordinary videos into convincing security camera footage. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more CapCut editing tips. See you in the next video.